Welcome back to Shaikhain, and I'm SAEED Shaikh. If you are still looking for the purpose of your life, don't put it off till tomorrow. Make it a priority of the day, and you might soon find the peace and serenity, the undeniable fruit from leading a purpose-driven life. People who know their purpose soon start booming a surprising increase in love and harmony and the destiny in their lives. With all this comes a deepening of trust and faith in yourself as well as the others, and you consider yourself being an integral part of the universe with feeling of well-being. And remember, there is clearly a marked difference between the well-off and the well-being. Today, just work for yourself and own yourself, trust yourself, and determine and take the lifelessness seriously. What is really needed to be done, challenging the status quo. Decision to get out of fears and tap to what you actually want out of life. Upgrade your mindset, find your purpose, build your confidence, trust, grow, and challenge yourself. Remember, to achieve success in life, you have to know the power of your why. We must choose every day what kind of life we want to live. Let's conclude this message. It is imperative that we change before it is too late. To watch more videos on the power of why, stay with Shaikhain.